The STEM Best program is one of the signature programs from the STEM Advisory Council. BEST stands for Businesses Engaging Students and Teachers, and so we're trying to foster opportunities between our educators and their local community and businesses that connect our students with real-world opportunities and community-based projects.
I think that STEM Best is a vehicle to outlining the overall outcome for student learning. The big picture, what do we really want young adults to be able to do? What do we want our students to be able to do when they leave school? And developing that with our community partners with that local context too.
The fact that our admin and our school board are on board speaks volumes, and it is amazing. You know, we'll come to them with different ideas, or hey, how about we try this, or this partner wants to do this, and I have yet to hear or any hesitation. They are all in, super excited. Anything from creating hamburgers at Fairway to welding with lane trailers to HVAC or podcasts, they are 110% all in, and that's exciting.
This is an opportunity that I feel like is reshaping education. We're not really changing what we're teaching, we're just changing how we're teaching. And really, it's connecting students to what they're passionate about. It's getting them to realize and build the skills that we know and we're hearing from our industry leaders that are important. And it's connecting them with the opportunities that they're going to pursue post-secondary, whatever that pathway might look like for that student.
Having our STEM Best program at our high school, having the ability to have a competency-based program, having kids with the ability to earn half credits or to stack credits or to bundle credits has really allowed us to help them learn to open up their schedules. And when their schedules are open, they can get out into the community, they get to learn real-world, authentic things, and they get to decide what they want to do in their future and whether or not that's something they can bring back to our community and further invest in our community so that later generations can also benefit from the STEM Best program.
We learn about passion-based learning, and we take the curriculum and put it into the community. So we get to work on adult-level skills in middle school, so communication, collaboration, productivity. I feel like I'm more of an organized person, and I know how to accomplish big projects or harder tasks in an easier way because of No Boundaries and the STEM Best program. And we're also just more mature, especially when we're doing job interviews or talking with adults. We feel more confident because of the program. Once you start learning with STEM Best, you're learning in amazing different ways, which help you be more prepared for the future.
The outcomes for our STEM Best program is really about the process. It's not so much about the product. We are all about the growth and what are the little lessons that we learn along the way, those little increments of learning that we like to do here. The students get excited and see their excitement in just their growth in their skills as well.
When we started with STEM Best, we really were focused on high school students and thinking about rich, career-connected and work-based learning opportunities for high school students. But that has grown to think bigger than that, to where our kindergarten kids changed up their field trip from the traditional apple orchard trip to, hey, how do we help our kids learn about our community? And where are some places right here in our community that our kids haven't been to? And how can they learn what that looks like and what a career might look like?
One of my very favorite parts of our STEM Best award is getting to go to our early elementary school, and I get to see all of our kindergartners all working at their tables with their white lab coats on, talking about what does the white lab coat mean, who gets to wear a white lab coat. So we get to talk about the importance of learning in the now, learning in the future. And when our kids are in our Ascend program at our high school or in our STEM program at our early elementary school, I hear kids having conversations about things that they could invent that don't yet exist, that solve problems in their worlds, not that solve problems in my world. So I really hear kids thinking about education for the future and not my past.
STEM Best really isn't one size fits all, and it's about each individual school and district and community coming together, and that's where the real power is, and the real power for our students as we think about what opportunities we want to give them while they're here with us, and what opportunities we want to show them in our community and in our region and in our state that exist for their future pathways. And the more we can work together to showcase that and give that context to their learning, the more opportunities they really do have in front of them.
We have 139 STEM Best programs across the state of Iowa. We really want this opportunity to be in every classroom and in every school across Iowa because we are seeing the benefits to not only our students, but to the communities that really become invested. And I think it's only going to reshape opportunities for the state of Iowa in shaping how we are educating our future leaders of Iowa. From my perspective, it's just going to reshape what education looks like nationwide.